Today we are going to start the properties of the complex integral and then the estimation of complex integral, that mod of integral of fz dz over the length L. L is the contour. Then this will be less than equal to m into small l. Small l is the length of the contour L. The length of the contour L. This is what they are saying. So we will prove this theorem after the properties. First property is the integral of sum of the functions, the complex functions, is equal to the sum of the integral of fz and gz over the length L plus the integral of gz over the length L. This can be easily generalized for the finite number of functions. The number of functions are finite here. Second property, the integral of fz dz over the length L. This will be equal to negative of integral of fz dz over the minus L contour. What do you mean by minus L? This means the curve is traversed in the opposite direction. If this L is traversed like this, then minus L will be in the opposite direction, right? So the integral of fz over L is equal to negative of the integral of fz over minus L. Third property is the integral of fz over the sum of the contours. That will be equal to the integral of fz over L1 plus the integral of fz over L2. Then in general, if L equal to sum of these contours, the integral of fz over this L will be equal to the integral of fz dz over their sum L1, L2, L3 up to Ln, which is further equal to the integral of fz over L1 plus integral of fz over L2 up to so on integral of fz over Ln. Right? Let's move on to the next property. The integral of c fz dz over L will be equal to what? This is the complex constant. So this is equal to, this constant comes outside of the integral. So c into the integral of fz over L. Then fifth property, the integral of sum of c1 f1z, c2 f2z up to cn fnz over L. This will be equal to c1 integral of f1z over L plus c2 integral of f2z over L up to so on cn into the integral of f and z over L dz dz. Last property, which is very important, inequality. The mod of integral of fz over L is less than equal to the integral of mod of fz, the absolute value of fz, absolute value of dz over L. So these are some important properties of the complex integral. Let's move on to the theorem now. This theorem is also known as the estimation of a complex integral. Let fz be continuous on the contour L of length L, small l. It is given that the contour is having the length small l. What is the length of the contour? It is the integral mod dz over L. This is the complete length of the contour L, that is given to be equal to small l. So this is given to us, and mod of fz is less than equal to m on L. First, this is given to us. Second, it is given that mod of fz is less than equal to capital M on the length of the contour, right? Then we have to show that the mod of integral of fz is less than equal to capital M into L. This we have to show. Capital M here is a constant. So let's start the proof. We know that the sum of the partition is equal to, if P is a partition of closed interval AB, then we know that the sum is summation zk minus 1, where k starts from 1 to n, into f of zk. Right? Now since if I take the modulus of this sum, this will be equal to the modulus of the sum, the summation of zk minus 1 into f of zk. Right? And this mod is less than equal to the summation of mod of zk minus 1 f of zk. And the absolute value of the product is equal to the product of the absolute values. So this is further equal to, there is a equality sign, the summation of mod of zk minus 1 into the mod of f of zk. The absolute value of the product is equal to the product of the absolute values. Right? Now this mod f of zk is given to be less than equal to capital M, the second given part. Right? So I am writing this further to be, now here comes the inequality, less than equal to for this. Writing summation of mod of zk minus 1 as it is, and writing this inequality for this, that mod of f of zk is less than equal to capital M. I hope it is very clear, right? So we are getting that this left hand side is less than equal to this right hand side. Let me write this first. If I take the limit on both the sides, where in the limit n is tending to infinity and mesh p tending to 0, the norm of p tends to 0, then this left hand side is nothing but the mod of integral of fz over L, the complete integral of fz over L. And this is less than equal to capital M, the limit on this summation. That will be equal to the integral of, this is delta zk, which can be written as mod dz over L. And what is integration of mod dz over L means? It is the length of the contour L. It is the length of the contour L, very important. You can also note this as the remark that length of the contour L is integration of mod dz over L. Integral mod dz over L. And this is given to be as small l, right? First given part. So writing this as small l. So we have shown that the mod of integration of fz dz over L is less than equal to capital M into the length of the contour L. Let's read one remark. The line integral of fz over L depends only on the end points of the arc L. If this is your arc L, so this line integral depends only upon these end points. And if the arc is closed, the line integral of fz over any closed curve is 0, like this. If this is L contour, then line integral of fz over the closed curve is 0. Any closed curve over any closed curve is 0, right? So this is all about the properties of the complex integral. Alright, thank you. Have a nice day.